Hey guys, Glen, welcome to my review of the Tiger Report by Dawood Islam. This is actually an amazing report that I think every single marketer needs to be reading in 2022. The industry has gone through a ton of changes this year, a ton. There's been a whole bunch of launches, a bunch of bad products, and basically people are frightened to buy stuff. The economy's in the tank. You know, it's starting to come back now. This is August, so people are really cautious with their money, what they're spending it on, and if they've bought a bad product, then they're really scared about buying products. So Dawood, I know his name is a little bit hard to pronounce. We can call him David too, but Dawood, he put up this report on exactly what, as an affiliate marketer, if you're brand new to affiliate marketer, if you've been doing marketing for a while and you went this year kind of went, what's going on? Where are my sales? Or you're just starting to get into the product launching, wherever you are, maybe you're thinking about giving up. Really need to read this because he is really rallying the good affiliates, the good product creators, and he put it together this report. Now, what's cool about this as well is that you can take this report and do anything you want with it. You can create your own content out of it, use his words, and basically it's full private label rights. So you can do whatever you want with it. He's got a video series. You can put that into a training course. You could do whatever you want with it. I purchased it myself. I didn't get the review copy. I went out and purchased it. He's got some great bonuses on there, sending out to traffic, and also a bunch of products, but like 20 times reseller, like all this really cool stuff. So what I'm going to do is I threw in a couple of really cool bonuses for you. Now, his product is going to be $7.95. Now, that's the price of his product, $7.95. It's not going up. There's no scarcity in what it is because he really wants everyone to read it. He wants everyone to have it. He wants people to give it away because it is a really good thing. You can make blog posts out of it. You can make videos out of it. You can do whatever you want with it. Now, what I've done is I've put some really great bonuses together. So let me show you my bonus page. The video is not there because I'm making the video right now. So basically, discover the one thing for making sales in 2022 and beyond from a top 5. Like, this guy is in the top 5 of both affiliates and vendors. So what we've done is this is good till August 31st, and then it's going to go away because that's when his launch is over. My bonuses, you can always get this, but you want to get my bonuses. So bonus number 1, we're going to boost your online sales. We're going to get you how to sell a second class, how to get those people to, instead of just making $5 on a sale or $11 on a front end sale, you want to double that. You want to be getting $30, $40, $100 from each one of your people that are going in and selling. So you want to learn how to use that. Facebook ads, you really need to understand how ads work. Now, this Facebook ads is just one component. You can use this for Google. You can understand how ads work. So this is really important because at some point, even if you're doing product launching, you still want to learn how to get your pixel because you want to be placing your pixel because at some point down the road, you may be wanting to do Facebook ads. You want to need to know how to get your pixel onto your sales pages and stuff like that. The buyer click Rolodex, basically, this is how to consistently mail broadcasts, and it's very, very powerful. And then 30 ways to get free traffic, which is another great training. So if you can't afford to get paid traffic, then you really want to get 30 ways to get the free traffic. And plus, guys, I'm going to give you my Aweber crash course. Now, this is inside a full training course for you. So if you're a brand new affiliate, this is great for you. If you're struggling affiliate, it's great for you. And if you're sort of you've been doing all right, but you're having some problems, like, this is going to give you, go back to the basics and really get you into this training. So I'm going to throw all those together. You just have to come to this page, click here. So the total value from me is $495. Value from Tiger Report is, I figure it's about $2,000, $21.95, because it's so powerful. So altogether, you're going to pay $7.95 for it. Now, what I did want to show you as well is I just want to show you what the upsells are. And show you what I got. So the Tiger Report with full private label rights is a $7.95. There is a sales bump on there for 6 times solos. I grabbed that, so you might want to grab that if you've got a URL that you're collecting emails on. He sends it out to his list. I think it's 35,000 bit list, and he's got a list of buyers, guys. This guy sells. The Tiger Report Pro version, I got that as well. It's the videos, so it's him going through the videos and giving you his insight to it. That also comes with a sales bump of the Place Your Link product if you don't have that, where he's going to place your any link you want on his websites, on his domains. It's the executive club. Now this is also, you get to be part of his team. You get products before they come out. You get to beta them. You get pre-approved for all of them. The total traffic fix is, again, more solo ads, like 10 free solo ads to his 35,000 members across 25 sites. And you get VIP upgrades worth $500 for all 25 sites, free permanent banner ads. Now this is just great because he drives traffic. Done for you weekly campaigns, get sent 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. So if you have a problem with creating stuff, then this is going to be great for you. And then become a beta tester for the Elite Academy, and this is his high ticket one. Now that's something you'd have to look at and listen to his video. So that's what it is, and basically this is the pro. As you can see, success. You got the pro version. So it just goes through the videos. So let me jump back on here. So why do I recommend this product? There we go. Oh, I'm in my face there. Maybe I want this one. All right. Why do I recommend this product, and why did I give these bonuses? Because this is something that every marketer needs to read. Yes, all of you are looking for that push button, done for you product, where it's just like you push one button and everything is done for you. Well, I've got some sad news for you. There's nothing out there like that. There isn't something out there that you push a button and all of a sudden you start making money. There is some setup you need to do. Affiliate marketing is really getting someone else's sales page in front of other people's eyes. That's your job as an affiliate. So it is a job, but you can create a business. You can create a brand. We talk about influencers. You can create a brand around yourself where you just have to sort of drop the name and people want to buy it because you're an influencer. Now maybe you don't want to be an influencer. Then you could easily just create an email list and send people. You could have a pen name on your email list. You could be Jane the product creator, or Joe whatever, right? You could have a pen name and you just send people these offers. But you got to make sure you have to read this report, because he dives into find good products, find good product creators, find other affiliates that are marketing good stuff, and market those products. Because the more that people are marketing the crappy products that don't work, you're just going to get a whole bunch of refunds. You're going to get really depressed, and you'll probably want to quit the business. But if you find the good vendors that create great products and basically promote those products along with building your arsenal, your business, your brand, and then you're going to be able to be unstoppable, right? So this is what happened, and this is just a little bit of an insight. In March this year, 2022, it was going gangbusters. It was amazing. It was literally, you could put out any link and you were just getting sale after sale after sale after sale, and it was fantastic. And then all of a sudden, it just dried up. The banks stopped approving credit cards. All of a sudden, and maybe you've had that. Maybe you were trying to buy something and your credit card didn't work. Well, the banks were saying, whoa, whoa, whoa. Because what was happening is people were starting to refund. People were buying these products that were half finished. I can't count the number of products that people said, here, Glenn, here's a review copy. Do a review video on it. And I'd get the copy, I'd go through it, and I'd go, I can't even do a review copy on it because I don't want to do a negative review. I did one negative review and I don't want to do negative reviews. Why would I want to do that? I want to go find good products and bring good quality products to the people that want to see my reviews. So basically, I stopped doing it. I didn't do any negative reviews. Maybe I did 2, maybe I 1 or 2. But anyways, and then these products, they snowballed. There was all these products and people were sending me products and they were just crap. I even bought a couple products and I refunded them. Because they did not work. Basically, I was buying them to be able to promote them, and they didn't work. And I was like, this doesn't work. Oh, well, try this. No, it doesn't work. Try this. No, it does not work. Like, why are you putting out a product that doesn't work? You can't fix the basic problem with the product. So basically, what Dawid has done, he's really honed in on what we need to know. So do yourself a favor, pick this up for $8, get my bonuses, go through the Aweber crash course, go through my whole course, learn the skills of being an affiliate marketer, read what he has to say. This guy is got knowledge up the yin yang. He runs with the big boys. He's an inspiration, and he's just a no nonsense guy. He tells it like it is. So you definitely want to pick it up. I would recommend picking up the video because it comes with the audio, so you can listen to it in the car and just go through the report. But if you're really just you only got a couple of bucks, just buy the initial report, and you're going to do fine. You're going to get all my bonuses. And with it, one last thing is when you go into the course, my course, you also get brought into my Facebook group, which is again a huge bonus, where I do impromptu trainings in there all the time. I help people answer questions, all those kinds of things. So, all right, guys. So click the link below. If you're on the bonus page, of course, click the link below. If you're on my YouTube channel, then click the link below. And please leave a comment. Make sure that you subscribe. And I will see you on the other side. This has been the Tiger Report review and basically what it's all about and my bonuses. So I will see you on the next one. Cheers.